Helen. This is a girl. You bought yourself a little turquoise teddy bear. Miniature. Most of the turquoise are like really small, and this one's pretty small. They're smaller than, at least in our experience, smaller than the other colors. Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, let's see. Can you step up here? Good girl. That's my good girl. That's my good girl. You're a sweetie. Little sweetie. Yes, you are. Are you a little Easter chick? Helen's gonna absolutely adore you. Yes, she is. There's no sweeter bird than you alive, huh? And she, she likes to feel like she's protected right up next to your face. And you are the sweetest. You are.